One of the best things about FramerX is that you can now design native level transitions just by using our selection of interactive tools. What we've done is taken the power of code and wrapped it up in an user-friendly interface that allows you to connect between screens, design a page flow, and even a content scrollable area. So let's say you've perfected your latest app flow and you're ready to start prototyping. We've set up the first few frames of a photo app here just to show you how it all works. In this flow, we want to make sure that after the user clicks the sign-in button, they land in a feed full of inspirational photos. To create that, we simply select the button, click on the link tool, or press L, and connect it to the feed frame. And voila, we've just created our first flow. We can use the link tool to design all kinds of flows. Let's say we now want this menu to appear over the feed when we click on the menu icon. Select the menu icon and use the link tool to connect it to the menu frame. We can then customize the transition in the Properties panel. In this case, we want it to overlay in from the right. Setting up a scrollable area is just as easy. Select the Scroll tool and draw a scroll view in the feed. We'll then link to this scroll frame that contains the content we want populated in the feed. This secondary frame allows us to design the scroll view in its entirety, without it being clipped. Notice that all the content in the scroll frame is automatically mirrored in our feed, even as we update it. Now that we have everything set up, let's see how it all looks and feels. We're going to open up the preview by clicking on the play icon in the top right of our toolbar. And there you have it, a beautifully functional, multi-screen design with a scrollable area that took just seconds to rapidly prototype. Try it all out for yourself in FramerX.